So you've painted your wheels. Nice. But what is that? Those brake calipers need a lick of paint. Let's get it done with Montana paints. Here's what you'll need: a jack, axle stands and some tools to remove your calipers, a drill with a wire brush attachment, some Montana solvent and brake caliper paint, some masking tape and some wire to hang your parts on as you paint them. And just like that, you're ready to get into it with step 1, removing your calipers. Park and secure your vehicle. Raise your vehicle front and back, one end at a time, and support it all round with axle stands. Keep your gloves on and eyes protected at all times. Then go about removing the wheels and calipers. It's a good idea to follow a workshop manual for the correct procedure. Remove the brake pads and press the pistons all the way into the calipers. Our DIY guide for brake pads may help you here. With all 4 calipers in hand, you're onto step 2, preparation. Give each caliper part a thorough going over with the wire wheel to remove corrosion and caked on road grime. Be careful not to damage the soft rubber boots on your calipers and use the Montana solvent to wash away the grime as you free it up. After a final wash in the solvent, carefully mask off the rubber parts and any other areas you don't want painted. Then you can move on to step 3, painting your calipers. Give your caliper paint a good long shake. Then, with your caliper parts hanging off wires, work your way around applying a light coat of caliper paint. Then allow 30 minutes before recoating. Continue allowing 30 minutes between light coats until you're satisfied with the result. Step 4, reassembly. After 48 hours, your brakes are ready to be reassembled. The paint is super durable, so a little knock here and there won't affect the finish. Pop your wheels on and take it for a spin. And don't be too concerned if you notice an odd smell. That fresh paint will cure in no time and last for many years of driving. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto Super DIYs. Whoever you are, whatever you drive, make it super at Supercheap Auto.